it's Ro. I got many questions from you guys about what snacks I eat during the week. So I went in my pantry, I looked around, and I realized that a lot of the snacks that I eat are vegan. I myself am not vegan, but I always have a ton of people coming over to the house, lots of friends and family, and a lot of them are vegan. And as you know, my sister, she can't have dairy, so we're always looking for yummy snacks. And I realized, you guys, I eat a lot of vegan snacks, so I thought it would be fun to make a video and share my absolute favorites because I am very picky when it comes to taste and texture, and these are my favorite that I have accumulated over the years. So let's jump into it. My first favorite vegan snack is Justin's Classic Almond Butter. I honestly can't remember when I started using almond butter. It's been a few years, but I absolutely love it. Here's the label on the back. It's gluten-free, vegan, and the U means it's also kosher. There are only 2 ingredients: dry roasted almonds and palm oil. I like to put almond butter on a bunch of different things. Fresh fruit, for one, I like to cut up apple slices, dip them in almond butter, or it goes really good with fresh bananas, banana and almond butter, or PB&Js. You can spread some on toast and make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I also like to keep these stocked in the house. It's the same almond butter, but they come in smaller individual travel size packs. Let me open it up. Look how easy it is. You can just plop one of these in your purse when you're on the go, and you can eat it with fresh food or a banana, an apple, wherever you are. Second snack are these gently dried organic apples by Peeled Snacks. I'm really into texture, so they have fully dehydrated apple chips that are really crunchy and crispy and like, but I love these because they're almost foamy. They're a little softer. They're only like partially dehydrated, and I love them. Check out the ingredients, you guys. There's 1 ingredient: organic apples. Yum, 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 yum. The bag is also resealable, so you can open them up, have a few snacks, and then snap them closed. And this is what they look like. And they're just a little foamy. Next up in front of me, I have some sweet snacks, starting with Gin Gins. These are chewy ginger candies. These have a very strong ginger flavor and they're chewy. These have no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. They're gluten-free, fat-free, vegan, and made with fresh ginger. Next are some sweets by the company Wholesome. They make a few sweets that I enjoy. This one is organic fruit chews. They are organic, non-GMO, have no fructose corn syrup, no synthetic colors, vegan, and are gluten-free. They are delicious. They are like my new Starburst. Then these ones are like my new Swedish Fish. I love Swedish Fish candy. They are so good, but I tried these, the organic Delish fish, and I fell in love. They are organic, non-GMO, have no fructose corn syrup, no synthetic colors. They're naturally flavored, vegan, they're gluten-free, and fair trade certified. I'm gonna have one right now. As you can see, it's not a bright red, it is a naturally flavored red made from raspberries. Oh. Wholesome also makes these vegan little fruity bears, and it's good to note that not all of the sweets that Wholesome makes are vegan. These are just the ones that are, and they're really good. And something really cool about these little bears in particular is that these snacks are made in a facility free of the top 10 food allergens. Moving on to some more sweet snacks, we have some cookies and truffles. The cookies that I fell in love with are by Emmy's. They're Emmy's Organics, and these ones are coconut vanilla bean cookies, and they are delicious. If you like coconut, these are so simple and so yummy. Then for my chocolate fix, I like these Almond Truffles by Living Raw. These truffles are organic, raw, vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, non-GMO, and they use fair trade cacao. They are also delicious. I am so picky about my sweets and truffles, and these taste so good. They're still creamy. I can't even tell that there's no dairy in it, and I love that they're covered with almonds because it gives it a little bit of crunch. The next food is sometimes something I like to have for dinner, but sometimes as a snack. A little comfort snack. If you're feeling like a creamy pasta or mac and cheese, but you're vegan, I would highly recommend trying Annie's homegrown organic vegan shell pasta and creamy sauce. It's so good. It's made with pumpkin and sweet potato. It does taste a little bit on the sweet side, but it's very slight. But I have to warn you, these must be very popular because every time I go to the store, Whole Foods, it's almost always sold out. In fact, the other day, I had to climb, scale the shelves. It was on the top shelf, and there was only one box left, and I had to stretch so far, I was like, eee, and got it. On to the next snack. Speaking of cheese, we have vegan Cheez-Its, basically, and these are so good. They're by Earth Balance. They are vegan, non-GMO, and kosher. Oh my gosh, you guys. These I originally found at Starbucks. I didn't know what they were. I was reading the label and I saw that they were gluten-free, kosher, vegan, and non-GMO, and I thought, this is a snack that my sister and I can eat. Let's give it a try. They are organic chickpea puffs called Hippeas. They kind of look like little Cheeto puffs. The last snack that I wanted to share with you guys today is a little bit different, so I saved it for the end because technically it does not have a sticker on the packaging saying that it's vegan, but all of the ingredients are vegan and a lot of my vegan friends eat these. And so I wanted a little bit more information. I went to their website, did some more research, and they did confirm that these are indeed vegan. But they are made on shared equipment that sometimes uses non-vegan ingredients. So that made a lot of sense. It's also good to note that the website said that the lightly salted snap pea crisps are made with vegan ingredients, but their other flavors like wasabi ranch or Caesar are made with dairy. All right, that does it for all of my favorite vegan snacks. Let me know in the comments below if you have any favorite vegan snacks that I should check out. If you're interested in trying any of these snacks, for any of them that I can find links, I will put the links down below. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.